Hi Sissy Farm, it's good to have you back here again. So in today's video, I just want to quickly do an illustration on how to achieve this particular style here. I believe this must be something interesting to you. So if that is what you want to know, let's move right into the video. So guys, like I said, this is just going to be an illustration. So we're going to make use of our pattern paper. So if you can see this pattern clearly, this is more like the bodies of the snake top. So first thing that you need to do is just to draft out your bodies and then join it on the shoulder. So that's just what I have here basically. You can see the neck round and this is the armhole. So then the next thing is to get straps of fabric. So the first strap you're going to get is just going to be for the side first. So remember, this outfit is a long sleeves. So what you need to do is just to get the sleeve ready, and then you will attach the sleeve before you go ahead and put on the strap. So after attaching the sleeves properly, it is going to be open like this while you get your strap and attach it here like so. That is just going to be at the tip of the shoulder. Then you're going to take it along this axis, just something like this. Okay, so when you are done attaching it on both sides, let me go ahead and attach it now with my masking tape. So when you are done, you're going to attach it like this to the sleeves, either through a top stitch, a hidden stitch, or a stitch in a ditch, whatever the case. So while attaching it, take note of that you're just going to attach it on one side while this side is going to be left flying up like this. And underneath it will be your sleeves that you have already attached neatly to the outfit. So this side is going to serve as the extension to your outfit. You're just going to attach it on one side like this. So when you are done attaching the straps like this, it's going to give you something like this. You can go ahead and flip it over like so and push the strap out of the way. Push the strap out of the way and then go ahead and sew your outfit together. You shape it like this while pushing the strap out of the way. I hope I'm making sense. So when you are done shaping it, you're going to return it back. So when you return it back, it's going to give you the outfit looking like this. And at this point, you will still need your straps, a longer one for that. This strap should be able to take you from the front part back to the back part and the other way around too. So you need two of this. And how you're going to drape this particular strap on the body, just as you can see on this picture, you can see how it goes. This particular one is taking it from this angle like so. So when you place it on the outfit that you have already finished sewing and hemming and doing everything, the strap is just going to come in as a drape on the outfit. So you just pick up the strap like this and place it in a crossed way. Now leaving some excess here because you will actually take this excess to the back part. So you're just going to put them together like this, forming the cross, and this shoulder part should really be on the shoulder, following the other strap that you have already placed initially. That is why if you look at the picture carefully, you will notice that the strap has already covered the shoulder. So when you are making your own strap, make it in such a way that it's going to be very wide. So when you are done placing these fronts like this, remember that this part that you see is just the trimming part that you can see. So when you are done placing it like this, you will fold over this other part to the back, like you twist it to the back like this. And this part, now take note of this. You can see how I am placing it. I think I should just put a little masking tape to hold down the two straps together, because when you are draping yours, you will definitely hold it down together. So let me just do that now. I'm going to hold this together like so. Okay, so now that I have put these on place, just take note of how I'm going to turn the strap over to the other side, because this is important as well. So let me keep pressing this. Okay, so I'm going to now flip this other down part like this to this side. Good. Now you can see now I have draped this part now, and I have folded it on the hem line. So take note of that. As I said earlier, you need to finish up your outfit. This one is just going to come up as draping. This, when you have turned this over to this side, you now fold, look at this other angle. This one is going to this side. So this one that is going to this side, you use it to drape the upper part, make it to pass through the shoulder, and then bring it to join, to connect with this particular one that you took to the back. That is where you are going to join the two of them together. Now, this is it. So I'm now going to cut this off, because this is the excess that we have. You can see that this two has really meat. And if you look at the picture carefully, if you look at this part like this second part, you notice that you will see a joining behind the outfit. So that is the joining that you are seeing here right now. So that is where they are joining the whole thing here at this back part. So take note of that. Let me just put a masking tape there to indicate that that is where there is a joining. So that's where I'm joining the two straps together. And I'm going to move over to this other side. Of course, it is obvious and clear already. You've already gotten the concept. You just repeat the same thing. Take it back a little. You can see the direction that it goes. Take it back to this side, and then bring this one down to meet up with that particular one that you have taken back. Look at it here. Now this is where the two of them meet together, and I'm just going to cut this off because this is already the excess. So let's assume I'm just stitching it here at this point, the two of it. This is where I stitched the initial one, and this is where I am going to stitch the second one. That's why you see this point here behind. That shows that there is a stitches going on there. So just put it like this. Okay, that's the stitches also at the back, and that is going to give you something like this. Can you see this? Isn't this beautiful already? Looking so beautiful. So this is what you are going to get at the end of the day. So that's how they achieve it. I believe this video was helpful. Now, if this video was in any way helpful to you, why not give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. Would you prefer me doing a full-fledged tutorial on this particular style? I wouldn't mind getting fabric and making a full-fledged tutorial so as to fully illustrate what we are discussing here. So if you really want that to happen, I would like you to leave a comment in the comment section. Just type in there, make it happen, or sew it on the fabric, anyhow you want to just explain it, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. And if I don't get up to like 10 comments, I will not make the video. But if you want me to really make the video for you guys, do well to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know how you feel about this particular tutorial. Do you appreciate this pattern of tutorial at all? If you do appreciate it, if you feel it's better than none, let me know still in the comment section. But if you just feel that I should not bring up stuff like this, I should never do such a thing, if I don't have the time to get material and do the full tutorial, I should just forget about it, still let me know in the comment section. So guys, I really want to thank you guys for being so patient with me these days and for going on to trust in this channel to bring up all that you need. As I said earlier, we will always be there for you. This channel is really your channel. We bring up sewing ideas, sewing tutorials on things that are very challenging, things that are extremely difficult to comprehend, everything about men fashion that you feel that this is really difficult to comprehend. Just bring it up on our WhatsApp group, as I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So do well to drop the photo through that link and we will have the outfit illustrated, or we will help you out in recreating the outfit. So I hope that makes sense. Okay, so guys, so far we're going to call it a day here. See you in my next video. From me now, it's a goodbye for now.